Hi, good morning friends. Today I would like to explain you a very beneficial and useful function in Excel. For example, you have a data set of multiple names. I have around 391 rows of the names and also the amount spent by the same persons, and the names are getting repeated. Actually there are only 13 person's name are here, but they spent this amount in multiple situations. So the variable amount is spent by the same persons in multiple times. That's why the names are repeated and duplicate, but there is a different amount because they spent in different times. Now we need to find out an Excel function which would enable us to be able to find out the maximum amount spent and minimum amount spent by the person. For what normally you will do, for example, in this situation manually, you go to, for example, Tom. Let's select Tom. Tom 30 times he comes in this records. He spent multiple amounts in variable amounts. So we don't know what is the maximum amount or what is the minimum amount out of this. And you have to copy paste and you have to use max and min. It's a multiple steps actually. Yeah, it's a either manual or combination of Excel function which needs to be broken down into multiple steps. But you need to find out in one formula and function where the maximum and minimum spent by one person is fetched in this by this formula. Okay, this is applicable even for time attendance records in biometrics or access time attendance access card system, wherein one employee clocks in and clocks out multiple times in a day, and we need to find out first in and last out. And this is actually, when I explored, I discussed about this with one of my friends actually, and trying to just find a solution. There are so many ways to do that actually, with different formulas, with the different multiple in-depth and sophisticated formulas. But this formula I'm going to explain, the function is very easy and easy to understand. So go here, open max, same like how you use count if, sum if and average if you know that. Same like the construction of decision tax. Open max, you need to find out maximum of the amount spent by Tom. Open if open one parenthesis again, then go here and select the full name column and put F4. Okay, one sec, put F4 is equal to what? You have to go to top and select Tom's name. You have to find out from this records Tom's name, then comma, you have to find out the maximum values from the column C, which is amount spent. Same like count if and sum if, and F4 lock and close parenthesis, right? This is the formula, as simple as it is explaining. You find maximum if this name matching with, like in index match also, this name is matching with this name and the maximum amount spent in this C column. But once you type this formula, this is an array formula in Excel. There is a difference between normal formula and array formula. For array formula to be able to function, you should not be entering. You should not type the enter button. You should click control, hold shift at the same time, then click enter button. That's it. Okay. If you click that, this value comes. This is the maximum value. And you want to get the minimum value also. Control C and go here and paste the same formula here and put min instead of max, min. Alright, min. And you have to, again, after clicking the formula, no enter. Control, make sure this is very important, otherwise formula will not work or will give erratic results. Control shift enter. Okay, that's it. Then just replicate this to all people, and the guy, how much amount is spent by these guys with maximum and minimum is already fetched. The same thing you can do for biometrics and time attendance records, clock in and clock out, multiple transaction by one employee, first in and last out, by having the duplicates removed in one column and using this formula, first in and last out, because I don't have that much amount of voluminous dummy data for time attendance. That's why I'm using a different example. And in the time attendance records, it is in time format, date and time format. So if you use this max and min, automatically it will fetch the first in and last out. Hope this is of use for you guys actually. Thank you very much for watching this. Thanks guys for watching this video. Hope this video is of help for you guys and you would benefit out of this whenever you encounter this kind of situation. handling this kind of data in Excel. Thank you, and let's meet in another interesting and useful video. Thank you, guys.